So I had to, this is a chopped result of what I had in my fridge. 2 different vegetables setting. I was thinking of being creative, so after I've cooked my rice, and you can see my rice, yeah, just like the way I love it, I placed my pan on fire with a little bit of oil, not too much, and then I steam fried the first vegetables, which is the cabbage, the tomatoes, and the onions. So here I was trying to create the concept of an omelette, but in my own way because this time around I added pepper and salt, left it on fire for a good heating because you have to feel, the thing, man. And then I had an egg to settle the issue, because you can't just steam fry this and then I can't eat it. So I just added 1 egg to it. And yeah, so that is it. Please try and leave it on fire for some time. Just try, because it needs to cook well for you. So this is it, me adding my egg to it, and then I kept stirring. I didn't want it to fry like the normal egg. I wanted to have crumbs of it, this chaffs or crumbs or something. So yep, once in a while I stirred. Then I added my fish. So I had salmon or poku. I don't know how you're gonna call it, but I think it's salted fish. Is it? Maybe. I don't know. So I added it to it, and then I left it on fire for some few minutes, and that is it. Back to the other salad. So this is just a coleslaw. That's how we call it though. But I added lettuce to it. I had my salad cream and then baked beans, and I'm like, girl, you are killing me softly. So this raining day, I am gonna love myself. So yes. This is me and my salad. It wasn't supposed to look like this. It was supposed to be something simple, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, honestly. So yeah, that is it. And afterwards, I had to settle everything on one area and see me dish my food. So yeah, I dished a little bit of rice because, yes, it's a little, man. I don't know. Anyway, so this is the omelette type of egg I did, and then my salad. Oh my god, this kind of food, as if God has forgiven you your sins, man. Of course he has. He's a loving father. So yeah, this is it, man. This is my food. I loved it, I enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, kindly comment, and if you haven't subscribed, do well to subscribe.